Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out 4UbyTia. I have to admit, I was a bit hesitant to make this purchase at first. I came across a lot of mixed reviews. Some people loved the products while others were left disappointed. Despite my uncertainty, I decided to take a plunge and see for myself. Jumping right in, my hair is freshly washed and partially detangled, and the first product I'll be using is the Deep Conditioning Repair Mask, which is actually a new product of hers. The mask is a nourishing treatment that revitalizes damaged curls through intensive conditioning and reconstruction, promising salon quality results from the very first use. What's interesting about this mask and all of Tia's products is that it's formulated with Hemi 15, a silicone alternative that locks in moisture, reduces frizz, and improves curl definition. It also includes vegan silk protein for added nourishment and chia seed extract, which helps retain moisture deep within the hair. As I applied the mask, the first thing that stood out to me was the scent. It reminded me of someone's rich grandma, and I was not a fan. The fragrance is described as gardenia sandalwood with notes of melon, jasmine, and amber, but honestly, the gardenia overpowered everything. Luckily, the scent didn't linger too much on my hair after rinsing. In terms of texture, this deep conditioner has a very light consistency, and unfortunately, it didn't have much slip. I found that my hair needed to be almost soaking wet to rake the product through my hair. To me, it felt more like a regular rinse out conditioner rather than a deep treatment, and it didn't quite deliver the results I was hoping for. I left the mask in my hair for 10 minutes, but the directions suggest you can leave it up to 30 minutes if your hair is particularly dry or brittle. Because I'm trying out 3 products, I'm going to be using Tia's 4U style combo on each side. On the left side, I'll be using the leave-in curl cream paired with the soft curl defining mousse. And on the right side, I'll be using the soft curl defining mousse and pairing that with her new stronghold gel for ultimate definition. Starting with the left side of my hair, I'm applying the leave-in cream on damp strands. I took a small amount and raked it through my curls and then further detangled with my tangle teaser. This lightweight styler is designed to amplify moisture while smoothing unruly curls, making it versatile enough for a variety of curl textures from wavy to curly. The key ingredients in this product are Hemi 15, flaxseed oil, and apple fruit extract. One of the first things I noticed was the delightful scent. It features a refreshing blend of green apple, light floral lotus blossom, and honeysuckle notes. I really enjoyed the fragrance. It's sweet but not overpowering like the last product. In terms of texture, the leave-in cream is super lightweight yet moisturizing as it's described. It also has a good amount of slip, which helps it glide smoothly through my hair. I will say with both this product and the deep conditioning repair mask, my hair needs to be nearly soaking wet for the product to apply evenly and effectively. Overall, I think this leave-in is a solid choice, but for my hair type, it's not going to provide enough hold on its own. I tend to experience more frizz than I like, so I'm going to top it off with the soft curl defining mousse for added definition and frizz control. This lightweight mousse is packed with nourishing ingredients like chia seed, amino acids, and Hemi 15. It enhances your natural curl pattern while also repairing and strengthening your hair. I started by taking about 3 pumps of the mousse and raking it through my hair with my fingers. Then I grabbed my tangle teaser to clump my curls together. While I think the mousse and leave-in work nicely together, I don't believe I could use either of them on their own without ending up with a lot of frizz. Given that these products are designed for a variety of curly and coily hair types, I wish they offered a bit more hold and significantly more moisture. It seems like these products are better suited for those with looser curl textures. After I finished applying product, I did notice some frizz, which I expected since both products provide a soft hold. Moving on to the left side, before applying any product, I made sure my hair was wet. This time, I'm starting with the mousse. I split my hair into a small section and I raked about 2 to 3 pumps. To seal in the moisture, I'm going to use 4U's new stronghold gel. I rake a small amount into my curls right on top of the mousse, and then I define my curls with my tangle teaser. The gel has a fairly thick consistency, so a little goes a long way. When I first applied it, I was pleasantly surprised by how it felt in my hair. It was incredibly hydrating and glided easily through my curls. This clean styling gel offers a long-lasting hold and flexible movement. With Hemi 15 and infused with apple and flaxseed extracts, it locks in moisture, reduces frizz and flyaways, and provides 100% flake-free hold without harsh chemicals. It can be used to either define your curls or sleek your hair back, whatever your heart desires. This gel really surprised me. I honestly thought by the look of it, it was going to be a struggle to work with. I love that I was able to combine both the gel and the mousse, but I would like to see if this product can stand alone. The mousse added hydration, and I'm noticing that a lot of her products work better combined, which is okay, but I love a one and done product. I will say the way this gel glided through my hair and weighed my curls down, this is definitely a gel I would use. The smell was not my favorite, but it gave my curls moisture and shine, and it tamed any frizz that I had, which was a plus. To dry my hair, I sat under my hooded dryer until it was completely dry, which took about 30 minutes, and here are my results. On the left side, I noticed a bit of frizz, but overall, considering it was styled with a mousse and a leave-in cream, the whole was impressive. To break the cast, I applied some oil using the prayer method. I wanted to add a little more volume, so I took my pick and gently fluffed my roots. The result, beautifully moisturized voluminous curls. Next, the stronghold gel with the soft curl defining mousse. This combination provided stronghold while keeping my hair feeling incredibly moisturized. I broke the cast the same way as before using oil in the prayer method, and it came apart quite easily. I also picked out my roots a bit more for added volume. This duo really delivered ultimate definition, leaving my hair with both volume and elongated curls. Overall, I enjoyed these products. While a few of them were on the lighter side, I still found them to be quite effective in achieving my desired look. Please let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.